You're looking for a beautiful bubble and that glorious sauce. Buffalo wings it is. These are the wings, fresh from the bird, a month old in the freezer. You definitely wanna wash and dry them. The wing has 3 parts, the wingtip, the flat, and the drumette. Throw the wingtips into the freezer, they make great chicken stock. The flats and the drumettes go into a bowl, together with 1 can of root beer, 3 tablespoons of Sam's pickle juice, 2 baby chickens, a quarter teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, 1 teaspoon magic powder, then combine and let them chill for 2 hours or overnight. In a bowl, squeeze 3/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon whole grain mustard, 1 tablespoon Sam's pickle juice, 2 cloves of chopped garlic, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 tablespoon finely chopped parsley, 1/8 of a teaspoon salt, 1/8 of a teaspoon cracked pepper, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and give that a mix. Taste and season if needed. Bring a saucepan or a pan to low heat, add 100 grams of butter. As the butter attempts to melt, add half a cup of Louisiana-style hot sauce, 1 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder. Mix that thoroughly till the butter is melted, no clumps, and the sauce is emulsified. Immediately remove from the heat and pour into a bowl. If you overheat or bring it to a boil, the sauce will break. And trust me, you do not want a broken sauce. Into a bowl, add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of corn flour, 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper, 1 tablespoon of magic powder, 1 teaspoon salt, and combine. Before you prep the dredging station, fill a pot halfway with sunflower oil or any neutral oil and bring it up to heat. The family is all caught up. Into the flour they go. Coat the chicken evenly and squeeze them tightly, ensuring no bald spots. Then shake off the excess and set aside ready for frying. At 190 degrees, dunk your little swimmers one at a time and do not overcrowd your pot. Once 7 minutes of bubbling have elapsed, fish out the chickens and place them into a wire rack. While still hot, place them into a bowl, add the buffalo sauce from earlier and give them a toss. Scrub the bowl clean and toss. Now for the assembly. The dressing goes into the middle and a ring of wings onto the outside. You wanna make her feel special. Of course, if served alongside carrots and celery, they go back exactly how they came, untouched. There is no actual procedure in this. Pick, dunk, bite. Oh, these things will definitely take your soul. Or not. If you found value in this video or generally just love the sight of food, drop a fat like and spank that subscribe button or I'll be spanking you.